Hello. So today I'm doing a review of the Canon Vixia HFG40. This is what I'm currently shooting on. You've seen some of the test footage. This camera is great for a few reasons. Reason number one, it comes standard with a wide angle lens. Reason number two, it has 20 times optical zoom. Reason number three, it has built-in image stabilization. Now many people are currently debating whether handy cams or video cameras have reached their expiry date and are DSLRs taking over? Great question. I don't have the answer to that as yet, but what I can tell you is if you want to take your YouTube videos up to a next level, then this camera is great for you. It has many professional features. It's called a prosumer camera because Canon has lifted many features from the professional version and has put it into this camera, such as the sensors and so forth. All in all, this is a great camera. It has everything you need to produce professional video. It has a manual mode, it has a fully automatic mode, and you can choose how you'd like to shoot your videos. It has a number of other filters and effects that you can also add onto your videos. So it's a great buy. However, it's quite expensive. So keep in mind, if you want to shoot videos, you have the option of going either a digital SLR or a video handy camera. The choice is yours. Play around with both, but this is a great video camera which I use quite often, and I'll show you a little bit more regarding the quality. Another great feature is it has autofocus, which many DSLRs don't, and even the ones that do, you have to buy them as a separate add-on where you screw a lens on that has image stabilization. This thing has image stabilization built in, which is a very handy thing to have for vloggers and those producing YouTube videos. Even if you're using it as a personal camera for home use, image stabilization is a must-have. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Leave comments below if you have any other specific questions you'd like me to answer, and I would be happy to do that. A bit more on the Canon Vixia HFG40. It shoots in AVCHD and various other formats, including MP4. It takes dual SD cards so that you can continue to shoot for a very long period of time. It has Wi-Fi so that you can connect this device to your tablet, your iPhone, or even your television. As I said earlier, it has 20 optical zoom. It has an intelligent lithium-ion battery that will give you a reasonable amount of shoot time. If you're shooting continuously, you can get a full day of footage out of the one battery on a single charge. It has Optical image stabilization, and lifted from the professional version of Canon's video cameras is the HD CMOS Pro. That's the processing chip within this camera that will give you more professional footage. I'm currently holding the camera zoomed in to demonstrate to you the image stabilization. The camera is not on a tripod. I'm currently holding it in my right hand. So it's currently winter in South Africa. As you can see, the dry grass and the brown leaves. It's still a fairly good 15 degrees Celsius.